Hello and welcome back to Black Note Music Center. And today's tutorial is very simple and straightforward. Perfect Love by Rita, Soul and LoveworldSingers. So in the key of F. So F is our 1, G is our 2, A is our 3, B flat is our 4, C is our 5, D is our 6, E is our 7, back to F. Okay, the intro. Okay. Okay. When you get here, you add this one. Then, or just play 2. Okay. This is C11. Okay, twice. Okay. Okay, then we enter the song. Let me do everything from the intro then to the A part. Okay. Okay, then okay, I play. So this is slash chord, so it's 5 over 4. This is our 4, it's our 5, which is C/B flat or C over B flat. Then B flat. So this is the chord. Okay. Then this chord. This is D augmented. D major augmented. Okay. Again. Two. This one lead us to 2. 2 or maybe that one will be simple. You can play this one. Again. Then to 5 source, C source 4, then C. Okay. Then 1, then 5. then 2, okay, 2, okay, from 2 then to C, 11, C7 to 11, okay, then 2, 4, 5, so that's the A part. So let me play it because everything will be repeating. So if you get this part, so that's all. So from the intro, then okay, that's all. Then B part. Let me slow down. B part 1. This is C over E. C on the right, E on the left. Okay. To 4. Then 2, 4, 6, 5, then here 3, 6, second part. Okay, 3 again, then 4, 6, 5. So they repeat the whole thing again. Then they went back to A, B, then the bridge, the C part. So after the whole scenario, the B part, so the intro. Then they went back to A. Then 5, then 2, then B part. So they repeat the whole thing. So then to C. So 4 times, that's all. listen to it. Da, 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 the same thing. Da, 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 So you can do, instead of playing the same thing, you can spice it up. Okay, and I think we've covered everything. That's all for the song. And thank you so much. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Don't forget, always comment, say something, let me know. Okay, whether the video is helpful, let me know. Comment below. And don't forget, our online free piano lessons continue every Friday. No, sorry, every Monday, 7 p.m. South African time. You can join me live. And you can also ask any question. So I might be able to answer you if there's something you want to ask. Okay. And also I'm planning to dedicate I'll choose a day where we can interact. You can ask any question, or you want me to break any song down live, so we'll do that. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Have a blessed one.